This is the NT Bootcamp orientation section, and I want to welcome everybody that has taken time to join this learning community and has joined our first orientation session. I want to use this opportunity to welcome us. This is in regards to our 8. I hope you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay. Should I carry on or should I wait for other people to join?
I think you should just hold on a bit, let some other people join. If we can wait till like maybe 9:20, just give about 3 minutes. All right. I'm Ubana. All my friends call me UB, so feel free to relate with me in that fashion. Um, I'm also from River State. I am the planning committee representative, and I will be monitoring your progress and the dynamic flow of the orientation.
Okay. Nice to have you, UB. He's my compare. He's going to compare this section with me, together with me, myself. So, another person. Unmute your mic and talk to me so we can go on. Okay, so we have Praise. Like, I'm not going to wait till another person unmute. I'll just call your name. Praise, say hello and introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
My name is Fraser. My name is Fraser. I'm from River State as well.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm struggling to hear you, Praise.
My pleasure. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's a little better.
I'm here.
I heard you, Praise. I heard you. You can unmute now.
And be as straightforward and as brief as possible so that I don't. All right, so the introduction to Nexa Trux and to the Nexa Trux bootcamp. So, in the course of my presentation, I will be interchanging Nexa Trux and NT. So, when I say NT, I mean Nexa Trux. So,
Yeah.
first of all, at Nexa Trux, we believe in elevating businesses, upgrading careers, and just generally uplifting the workspace of people through technology. So our services are not streamlined. We are not a one-trick company. We span across web and mobile apps. We delve into digital designs. We are into branding, 3D modeling, AI integrations, and the likes of that. So we are, how do I say this now? We are creating a platform here where whoever is in any of these lines of uh, business, whoever is in this niche in tech, can freely express themselves, can join us to upgrade whatever it is they are working on, so that they don't just keep flowing at a particular level. They can always upgrade, they can always upskill themselves. Now, to extend our impact, to really make sure that the things we are doing are really, really effective, we launched the NT Bootcamp, and it's, as I'm sure you are aware, an 8-week intensive training program. Keyword intensive, because we're not just going to do like some other platforms that you may have come across where they are very lax with what they do. We are going to make sure that the training is back to back. We follow you up like that so that before one thing you learn is code in your head, the next thing can follow. So you can just build up on that and build up on the next and build up on the next. So it's going to be an 8 week intensive training program and it's designed to equip tech learners with practical market ready skills. I say practical because we're not just going to teach you the way many Nigerian universities do, where it's just theory and theory and theory. We're going to make sure that the things you're learning are things that you can apply. Possibly even while the boot camp is still ongoing, you can be using the skills you're learning with each module, with each course, with each class. You can start applying them in your workspace if you're still looking to get employed or you're trying to land gigs. You can use the things you're learning readily on the go. So that's basically our aim, and our vision is very simple: upskill, build, and thrive. I'm sure you may have seen some of the adverts, maybe I'm not exactly sure how some of you came to know about NT, but I'm very confident it's because of the promotional ads that were out there. And many of them, if not all of them, have our motto on it. And it is upskill, build, thrive. And I'm very confident that with this goal in mind, with this being our focus, we can actually upskill, we can actually build on what we have, and we can thrive in our different workspaces. So that is basically that about the boot camp, and I feel like I can pass the mic back to my compare, Miss Godskill.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Okay. I'm just going to add a little of what from what he has said. So the boot camp is going to, let me just spell out some of the structures and then the format on how the boot camp is going to be going for the next 8 weeks of your life. So we all know that the boot camp is starting on the 5th of May 2025. If at any point you don't hear me, just unmute and speak out. It's raining over here, so I have to shout. Um, like I was saying, the boot camp is going to be starting on the 5th of May 2025. For us to make it possible that we carry everybody along, both students and people that just want to add up in their skills or whatever you are doing, just to carry everybody along. The sessions are going to be running for just 2 hours, but 3 times in a day. And those days in the week are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday for 2 hours. And the time where these sections are going to be taking place is going to be by 8 p.m. so that whatever you are doing, you know that by 8 p.m. you have a session to attend to, which is going to make these things, the lectures, very flexible for both the students and instructors and just anybody that is going to be participating in this first cohort of our skill acquisition. So that's that for that. I'm going to specifically list out the 4 courses that we offer, that we are offering for now. So number one on our list is full stack web development. That's both, which includes both back end and then the front end web development. And then we are going to be taking data analysis, data science and machine learning, and UI UX. I'm going to run down the 4 courses we are taking again. Number one, full stack web development, which includes both front and back end development. We have data analysis, we have data science and machine learning. Data science and machine learning is just one course, so you don't get confused. And then we have the UI UX. those are for the designers and all that. So in every of this course we have different instructors that will guide you through, hold your hands throughout the project, and then you're also going to be connecting with your fellow peers and enthusiasts to learn this skill and get them for yourself. So it's going to be an 8-week intensive learning, non-stop intensive learning, where you're going to be taught how to even build your social media profile and brand yourself, showcase your projects. You'll be given weekly milestones to meet up to. So you see, the course is already packed, and you are going to be gaining a lot of things from this cohort. I hope we can all hear me to this extent.
Oh yes, we're active. We're
I'm
following.
going to be talking about the so there is also going to be certification. You'll be certified after you have successfully completed your 8-week program. So you'll be receiving um graduate reward, which is the certificate and every other thing you had learned during the boot camp. So if you are able to carry on through to the end of the 8-week intense program, you'll be certified, and so you don't just have nothing to show for it. You are going to be certified, which is a valuable asset, so that you can pitch yourself with a certificate of learning, of practice, and every other thing that is going to come with it. You are going to also be taught how to showcase and how to create your LinkedIn profile linked to your acquired skill, your CV, and other professional platforms and all that. And then you're going to learn how to also enhance your visibility for potential employers and clients in the competitive world, so that you don't just study the course and leave it aside. You are studying to practice, you are studying to pitch yourself out for potential employers. So I'm going to just run down the key notes that I've just said now. So this is going to be an intensive 8 weeks training. It's going to be certified by tech partners, and you're going to be learning how to organize your CV, your LinkedIn profile, and other professional profiles. Let me just talk about your instructors. So I did not really have time offer, but then we have a brief introduction right now. But then for for our for our UI UX design, the instructor that is to guide you on that is Miss Kenile and Miss Edidion. Sorry, I cannot display their pictures right now. That was because I didn't really prepare to display their pictures. If not, I do have them. And then for the full stack front end, we have Daniela. For data science and machine learning, we have Mr. Jonathan and Mr. Emmanuel. And then data analysis, data analysis, we have Mr. Didion and then Mr. Nonso Emmanuel. Get to know them and meet them in the course of our program. Let me check if there is anyone I missed out. Okay, so I want my part. So to Mr. UB. I hope you can hear me. I hope you all can hear
Yeah,
me.
yeah, I can hear you. All right. So just quickly moving ahead, um, I'm going to talk about why um, our bootcamp is different. So I'm sure you may have heard of other training schemes or training regimes or training programs
All right,
that.
Mr. UB, please, I want you to guide us through the enrollment information.
Okay, just quickly before I guide you through the can you hear me? All right, all right, all right. So I'm going to just tell you why our bootcamp is different. And
You are
firstly,
right back.
it's basically because of our expert-led curriculum. We we are not just a group of misfits trying to carry on in a self-acclaimed training program. No, we are actually partnered and collaborating with industry professionals. So the content we deliver is up to date and is standardized. It's not just some backyard stuff that you're doing. You are going to be part of a community. So by way of registering for the NT Bootcamp, you are now part of Nexa Trux community. And like I said earlier, we are a community of people who are to learn and to upgrade, to develop ourselves in the tech space. So it's not just you come, you do this, and you go, and your chances of upgrading are 50-50. No, we are a community that is dedicated to actually improving the individuals who are in the community. And so you are going to be working with teams, you are going to be involved with people who actually handle real world situations that are bringing innovation to tech. Then you're also going to be, we are going to be held accountable because we have very active social media platforms where we don't hide behind flyers and images of fake people. No, we do a lot of content by ourselves. So when you see a video posted on our page, it's actually a video of one of those in the planning committee or in the back room, part of the backroom staff. So we are actually going to be held accountable for anything we do. So that even if for no other reason, that one is going to help us to want to step up our game for the fact that our faces are out there, our pictures are on the line. Um, the next thing I'd like to talk about is mentorship and internship. You're going to have direct guidance from, you know, experts. Now, not just the industry experts. Now, I'm talking about people who are actually, maybe they may not have ventured into the tech industry full time, but they are actually experts in their trade. They are people who are well versed, who are learned in the things they are doing. So your coming into Nexa Trucks is actually a very big opportunity for you, and it could be just what you need to kickstart your career. And so um, I really hope that that would be some form of motivation or encouragement to you. Now, quickly down to our enrollment scheme. Um, I assume that for you to get to this point, you are ready to actually take the next step. So, first things first, our program fee is 50,000 naira, and it's a one-time payment. You do not have to. There are not going to be any other requirements from you to pay again. The enrollment deadline is on the 5th of May 2025, and we are going to have two orientation days. This is the first, as I'm sure you are well aware, and the second is going to be on Friday, the 2nd of May. So we have a couple of days to let you digest the information you've gotten today, and then ready yourself for the second one. In the second orientation, we are going to go more into how the program is going to be run, what is expected of you, what you should, you know, just to keep your mind in the right frame, in the right space, so that when the program actually kicks off, you're not going to be taken off guard. Yeah. Now, to enroll, you simply need to follow the link that will be pinned in the group chat, any of the WhatsApp group chats, or visit the bootcamp website link if you already have that. And then, if you have any questions about payment or financial aid, you can send a DM to any of the group admins in the WhatsApp group chats that you are on. The group admins are obviously those in the part of the backroom staff, those who are part of the planning committee. So when you send the DM, we can handle whatever issues you have, whatever questions you need to ask, and they will be answered. Or better still, if you say you don't want to talk to anyone, you can check the frequently asked questions section, the FAQ section on the website, and you would see all the answers to whatever might be bothering you. Or let's say you even do the FAQ process first and then you don't see what you need, then feel free to DM any of us, and surely we would give you suitable answers for whatever it is the challenges. And okay, I just feel like I mentioned financial aid earlier, but I didn't really elaborate. The financial aid is just to subsidize your enrollment fee. So if you have more questions about that, feel free to send a DM, or when you visit the website, you're going to see a section that has financial aid there, or you click on enroll. It's actually a very straightforward process. As you click enroll, you see the option to apply for financial aid. You click on that, it takes you straight to a form, and you fill that form with your details, and it's just straight ahead from there. So that's that's basically all there is to know about enrollment and the deadline.
Thank you, sir. UB.
All right, ma'am, over to you.
Yeah,
Yes, you're
that
welcome.
was everything you need to know already. So I would like you're clear with anything we just said and you would like to be cleared here. You can just unmute your mic and ask your question. We have just we have less than 5 minutes for that because we need to end this call by exactly 10 p.m. Okay, that means we are all clear on everything we've spoken tonight, everything we've said.
Well, is there really no question? That means we were very precise then and accurate in our delivery. I think with that we can call it a night. Okay, a hand is up, Mr. Steven.
All
Is Hello, Steven? Is your hand up intentionally or
Good
is an accident?
evening.
Yeah. Good
Can you
evening.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, sorry, I haven't been listening much of the time, so I was doing something, so, but I came now, I saw that you were wrapping up. So I don't know,
Yeah.
what are the list of your courses? I personally am interested in learning data analysis. So what are the list of courses you offer, and what are the prices? Then what are the tools that we're going to be learning on that data analysis if that is part of your course anyway? I don't know. 'Cause I didn't really hear what you said.
Okay, I think I would take it from here. You're welcome, Stephen. So, data analysis is one of the courses we're offering. Just like you mentioned earlier, for these particular cohorts, we chose four courses. All right, data analysis one, science and machine learning. Data science and machine learning are together. All right. Um, web development, full stack, and UI UX. All right, and the tools that you'll be uh, using in data analysis or you'll be learning in data analysis include Excel, and you'll be learning data analysis with Python programming. Also, you'll be learning Power BI for your visualization, using Power BI for your visualization, and to crown it all, you'll be learning SQL. All right, so that's a full pack. I hope you hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, so every other bonus that we talked about would fully be integrated, all right, as planned. Now, like he was conveying earlier, we have team of expert lead instructors that is going to be taking you on these courses, and then towards the end of the bootcamp, we'll be deploying industry experts. I'm making reference to people who are actually high-end professionals in this skill, working in companies and using this skill, top freelancers and more, to come guide you on how you can become a proficient freelancer and all. And you also will stand the chance of doing internship with us. Yes. So you can see it's a full pack and it's tailored to making our candidates land their dream job. I hope I've communicated. Mr. Stephen, your hand is still up. Do you have further questions? Have I made myself clear, or you want to ask something else? Stephen, do you need further clarification? Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you. Can you hear me? Oh, sorry about that. It was the first one.
Yes.
Okay, good. You get all I said, right? Do you have any further
All right.
questions?
No, no, I don't. I don't really have any further question. Thank you.
Okay, great. You be over to you.
If you have any questions, like I said before, you have anything bothering you, you need anything, you need clarification, just feel free to send any of the group admins on WhatsApp a DM, and all of that will be attended to. Yes. Thank you all for joining today's orientation. I really appreciate you being here. Please do well to look out for our posts on our various social media platforms, engage with them, and get ready for the second orientation, which is on Friday, the 2nd of May. And I want to say congrats in advance, because I know this is going to be a really exciting journey, and I actually can't wait for it to start, because there's really a lot in store for you guys, and I just want to see you really reap the fruits of your enthusiasm. Yeah. So once again, happy to have you all here. All right. I think with that, we are safe to summarize. So once
Okay.
again, yeah, are
Yes,
you
we
there,
are.
James? Thank you for your participation. Thank you for joining this community of people who are willing to learn and grow. And once again, I really look forward to, working with you guys, solving problems with you all, and actually growing our careers together. Have a good night, everybody.